All right, simplify 93 over 21n times 34n over 51n. Whenever I'm being asked to simplify two fractions with a lot of stuff going on multiplied together, what I want to do before I do anything is factor out as much as I can. Okay, see if these numbers rip apart and turn into anything. So for example, like 93 is 31 times 3. So let's turn and let's do this. Let's use all the colors that we have. 93 is going to be 31 times 3. 21 is going to be 7 and 3. N comes along for the ride. We've got over here 34, which is going to be 2 and 17. So 2, 17, and then n comes along for the ride. And then 51 is going to be, what is that, 3 and 17? And then n comes along for the ride. When you multiply fractions, right, you just basically multiply the top and the bottom. So that essentially happens. And when you're just multiplying straight across the top and straight across the bottom, anything in the numerator that's the exact same as the denominator crosses out. So these n's right here cross out, these 17's cross out, these 3's cross out. Anything else? No, I think that should do it. So what that leaves us with upstairs is 31 times 2. And what that leaves us with downstairs is 7 times 3 times n. So at the end of the day, we get 31 times 2, which is 62, over 7 times 3, which is 21, n, which comes along for the ride. Interesting. Very interesting.